Okay, let's get into the relevant offer. I'm working with an insurance company and we are working on lead generation using their Facebook page. After a couple months of audience building, we decided to do a road trip package giveaway you can see here on the screen. Essentially, we put together a couple of things that we believed that people that owned a car would like to have, especially for the spring. You know, it's coming up. People want to take road trips. It's getting sunny out, and we decided to put together a couple things that we thought that car owners would like to have. So we have the relevant offer. You know, a lot of people you'll see doing random giveaways of random stuff that has nothing to do with their brand or their company or the services that they provide. So we decided to do something that was closely related to auto insurance, and we really wanted to dial into a teen driver insurance program that this insurance company has that offers really great benefits for parents of teen drivers, because when you have a teen driver that's 16 years old and they just start driving, your premium skyrockets. That's actually good for the insurance company. They want to target higher premium customer base, and the teen driver program is perfect for that. So we decided to do this giveaway. So as you can see, we decided to do a giveaway for a road trip package. And there's a little ninja tip that I have on top of this that's working behind the scenes, and it is it's called ManyChat, and it is automated response software that every time somebody comments onto the post, which is we prompted them to comment onto the post, it auto-responds. And we'll get into that a little bit deeper in the next video. But here's the relevant offer. Make sure that it is on brand. Make sure that it has something to do with your business and it brings value to potential customers, because we reached 7,000 people and had 222 people comment, or 58 people comment. That's 58 people that received an auto-response upsell for insurance services. And just 222 reaction, comments, and shares. That's great, because all the 222 people that engage with this are now going back into our engagement audience that we're building, and we'll be able to remarket to them later. Of course, we'll talk about that in a subsequent video about the follow-up. So here's the relevant offer. I think you guys should all take a look at this. I'll expand this a little bit so you can kind of see what our giveaway looks like, and you can even just copy this for yourself.